Good morning, readers. We know that as we read our fiction books, we learn a lot about the characters in those books. And one thing that's so important to do is to come up with ideas about the characters in our books. So today's learning target is I am learning to understand how to create theories about characters. And our theories that's just another word for our ideas about the character. Let's fill out our reading learning intention. So today's date is 9/24. The book you're reading most likely will be your partner book. And then today as a reader, I am working on creating theories about characters. Let's start this work by creating some theories about your teachers. For each teacher, there are 3 items that represent something important from their lives. These details give you a little insight as to who your teachers are as a person. So let's take a look at myself. My 3 items are a basketball, a hand mixer, and some diapers. Let's think about what types of theories or ideas we can create based on these items. What do you know about me based on these things? Turn and talk with your partner now. Teachers can go over these ideas as a class. Now let's do the same thing with Mrs. Eichstead. Her 3 items are an ice cream scoop, some baby blocks, and a picture of a trail outdoors. Go ahead and talk with your partner about what kind of theories that you can create based on these items, and then teachers can discuss as a class. Finally, let's look at some pictures for Mrs. Whalen. She's got a boat, a cross, and a picture of it looks like a family on a couch. Turn and talk to your partner about what theories you can come up with about Mrs. Whalen, and then discuss as a class. As you can see, when you know details about a person's life, you can come up with theories or ideas about what kind of person they are, what things they like, and so on. This same thing can be applied to characters in our books. As we read, we learn lots of little details about our characters. And based on those things, we can look at the same kind of things we did for the teachers. Let's take what we know now and create some theories about Opal. Here are some things that might give us a little bit more insight as to what kind of character Winn-Dixie or Opal is. So the first one is Winn-Dixie. Then the list of the 10 things about Opal's mom. And finally a broom, thinking back to when she's working in Gertrude's Pets. Turn and talk to your partner about what these things might tell us about Opal. You guys came up with a lot of great theories about Opal. One thing about Winn-Dixie is that the dog might have shown us that Opal was very brave because she kind of took over and said it was her dog in the grocery store. Winn-Dixie also might show us that Opal maybe befriends, as they said in the book, the less fortunates, or she'll find other people or animals who are lonely to befriend. The list of 10 things about her mom probably shows us that she does miss her mom quite a bit and thinks about her a lot, and maybe shows us a little bit that she's kind of lonely. And finally, the broom might make us believe that Opal is very hardworking. She would always sweep at Gertrude's Pets, and she would be very responsible and do the things that she needed to do. So as you can see, looking for small details from our books and taking different items and thinking about them can help us create theories about the characters in our books. So today and every day as you read, I want you to think about those small details and try to make some theories about your characters as you read. Make it a great day.